Hi, and thanks for watching. This Arabian chicken stew recipe is available for free via the link in the description box below. This Arabian stew is so full of flavor and yet very easy to make. Let's start. Add the oil and onion in a hot pan and cook till the onion turns brown. Add the chicken and cook on medium heat until you see brown patches on either side of the chicken. Add the potatoes and carrot and stir for 3 minutes. Add the tomatoes, stir for 3 minutes, and cook on medium heat for 5 to 7 minutes. Add the garlic and spices, stir to mix, and add the zucchini and fixings. Let it simmer for 2 minutes. Now it's time to season with the salt. Add the boiling water and let the stew cook for 45 minutes until the chicken is tender. Finish off with the coriander and serve hot. Enjoy! Thanks for watching. If you have a recipe request, leave it in the comments section below. Don't forget to hit the like button or subscribe to our channel. See you soon.